Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. It's Michelle. Okay, today we are going to be looking at the fourth in a series of products being created by Kerry Knoll. Today we're going to be looking at his newest, which is the local social groups. This is his logo, his brand, Growth Hack Mindset. I kind of like that too. So, we're at the sales page. It has a very interesting video that tells us a little bit more of what this whole product is about, and how Kerry started it off. I'm not going to spend time on this because I want to show you, take you to the back office, see what the product is all about. You can read the sales page, of course. Love this part. I love to see testimonials of proof of payment. And what I love is the date. The date tells you that it's really working, really active. Of course, disclaimer, what he has made with it does not mean that you're going to make the same. You can probably even surpass what he has done as long as you put the training to use. Okay, so anything else on the sales page that we need to be talking about? I think that's going to be it for now. So just a little reminder, the product launches December 3rd at 11 a.m. and the early bird offer, you need to get it because it's only going to be valid for 1 day, and that is $27. Alright, so enough of all that. I'll leave you to go check that out. Let's just head over to the product itself. Now here, as you can see, let me move my screen a little bit. There we go. We're inside. Now here is the introduction, and what it is, it's an introduction. What more can I say? Here, Kerry introduces himself, who he is, why he created the product, and what it's all about. I'm just going to listen to a little snippet.
Hello, Kerry Knoll here, and welcome to Local Social Groups. I just wanted to cover a few things about myself before we get started, so you guys know just who your instructor is in case you haven't heard of me before, or to give you a little insight into my background and history.
Okay.
So who am I? Well, my name is Kerry Knoll, as I previously said. My background is...
So, basically, he introduces himself, what the system is about, where he's been, and what he's been up to. Now, what I love about his program, it's this. He has everything itemized, step by step. He gives you the overview, and all these little red tabs are all videos, so you can play them again and again and again, and you take your notes, so you have that to go back to. He talks about the sales funnel, and in this section, everything you need for the course. The overview, the lead magnet, the thank you page, the download page, tripwire, upsells. I know all these terms might seem a little new to you for now, but like I said, the good thing about it is it's a video. You can hear it for those of us who are visual, and for those who don't need the visual, make your notes, look over your notes when it's all done. So it's all about Facebook, using Facebook group, Facebook ads, and showing the local business owner how he can capitalize on using Facebook as a tool to promote his business. He also touches on email marketing, product information, selling your products, the walkthrough, like the pages that you have created to create your funnel. You have the landing and thank you pages, the Facebook group creation, landing and thank you pages for just about everything you need. I'm not going to waste precious time going through all that because it is self-explanatory, and once you get in there, it won't be that much of a mystery for you. What else did I want to show you? Here in the downloads, now Kerry takes the time to just download everything. Prepare everything you need. All you have to do is click a button, download, print if you need to, or just use it as you need to as well. He's very thorough. I love working with him because he leaves no stone unturned. He wants you to succeed, and in order for you to succeed, you have to have the tools, and he provides the tools for you to do that. So I love the back office. I love the simplicity of it. I love the fact that videos which you can go over and over again, and most importantly, you can understand him. He doesn't speak too fast, too loud, scary, easy keel, gets the job done. So that's about it. I don't think there's much more I can show you from the back office short of showing you what you are going to get in terms of purchase. You're going to get it all, of course. And it's a very compact system. Thumbs up every time. If you see his name, that's the man to go to. So let's just go over everything else. It's here. You'll find a link in the description box below how to get straight to the sales page to get more information, to read things through, because the sales page is kind of long, and he talks a lot about where he's been and how things he's worked on, things that work that he has put into his program. So that's good to read as well. With the package, you get bonuses, done for you landing page, which has a value of $97, a done for you lead magnet page, value $97, the video sales page, video sales letter, value $97. Now, guys, this is key because everything these days, it's videos. Videos equals viral, so that's definitely a plus. Email follow-up sequence, value $97. You don't have to worry about, oh my God, what am I going to write now? He's got that taken care of. And of course, a step-by-step guide on how to sell a digital product. And of course, there is the cheat sheet, step-by-step. And like I say, guys, if you just go step-by-step, you're going to be fine. Naturally, he has a 30-day money-back guarantee. Now, he's that confident about his product. You've got nothing to lose. Take him up on his challenge and see if what he has to offer you indeed can use to improve your business. So I just have a little tidbit about Kerry here. And also I just want to show you that there are also 4 super bonuses to go with this. Bonus number 1, a done for you video sales letter for Facebook ads with a value of $5.97. Okay, guys, that's a big number, but today that's for you. The bonus number 2, a done for you Facebook messages ad, value $2.97. Bonus number 3, done for you ManyChat flow blueprint for Facebook messages and ad value of $2.97. And bonus number 4, ManyChat walkthrough video training for connecting ManyChat to Facebook messages at, and that's $47 value. Now, guys, all this is, gets me excited. It is so worth it. Today is the day to take advantage of that. You absolutely won't regret it as long as you use the products, and you will achieve what you want. So, everything is in the box below. I hope that I've helped you to make a good decision where this product is concerned. But guys, you have nothing to lose. I also have a full review. I'm going to put that link in the bottom as well for those of us who need to actually see things and go step by step. I got that. I got your back. So once again, check it out. Check out the full review. Go check out the sales page. And give me a like, give me a comment, let me know what you're thinking, and please subscribe. And it's my pleasure to serve you. Be well. Talk soon. Bye.